My latest sun is sinking fast, my race is nearly run. My strongest trials now are past, my triumph is begun. I know I'm near the holy ranks of friends and kindred dear. I hear the waves on Jordan's banks, the crossing must be near. Oh, come, angel band, come and around me stand. Oh, bear me away on your snowy wings to my immortal spring. I've almost reached my heavenly one. My spirit loudly sings your holy ones. Behold, they come. I hear the noise of wings. Oh, bear my longing heart to him who bled and died for me, whose love now covers all my sin and gives me victory. The silver thread of life grows thin, faith's lamp burns clear within. I cast the pilgrim staff aside for thee, my constant guide. The open gate of pearl, I see the street like crystal fair. The tree of life, its healing leaves, its branches waving there. To my immortal spring. The shepherd's voice, so kind and low, calls through the shadowed vale. No fear of death can linger now, his strong love still prevails. The morning star has climbed the sky, night's vesture fades away. I wait the everlasting dawn of that far brighter day. Oh, come, angel band, come and around me stand. Oh, bear me away on your snowy wings to my immortal spring. Then glide, ye moments, softly glide, till earth is left behind. My soul upon those snowy wings eternal rest shall find.
Give me the harp, the crown, the robe laid up through grace alone.
Then shall my hallelujahs rise before his shining throne. Snowy wings to my immortal spring. Oh, come, oh, come, oh, bear me away on your snowy wings to my to my